The stunning new truly classic 127 Atalanta was built by Classen Shipyards in the Netherlands to a design by Hoek Naval Architects and in partnership with owner's representative Nigel Ingram of MCM. This is the story of how the largest yacht in the truly classic range to date was built by a yard at the very top of its game, which designer Andre Hoek described as one of the best boats he has ever been involved in. Established in 1985, Classen Shipyards is a prime example of why the Dutch yachting industry has such an excellent reputation. The yard's first-class facility is situated in the town of Zaandam, just north of Amsterdam, only 20 minutes from Schiphol Airport. This is a great location for owners and their representatives to visit and stay during the outfitting stage of the build. The construction of Atalanta began 1 hour further north in the Bloemsma Yard in Macum. Here the giant aluminium hull was built to the highest standards of craftsmanship by a highly experienced team which is used to working to Classen's stringent standards of perfection. As always, the turning of Atalanta's hull was an exciting moment and heralded the start of the next phase of the build. The metalworkers could now work on completing the interior and the deck, specialist activities that lasted 2 months. Next, it was the turn of the expert painters to ensure Atalanta's hull was completely smooth and ready for spraying. They helped ensure that this complex and crucial part of the build was successfully completed. A spectacular sight greeted the onlookers as the giant structure came into the light for the first time, ready to be transported to the Classen Shipyards facility in Zaandam. The Classen workforce is renowned for combining traditional workmanship and dedication to perfection with a drive to incorporate new technologies. Here, we can see the metal workers and joiners proceeding with work on the keel. By April, the electronic wizards were busy connecting all the power options. Like all truly classics, behind Atalanta's traditional looks are the very latest technologies and systems. Meanwhile, it was also time to fit features such as the stunning railings, to finish the extraordinary deck houses, and to make the final touches below deck. Atalanta has a classic interior with raised and fielded paneling, white painted panels above wainscot level, and a range of other classic details. The combination of fine materials and finish is designed to create a serene ambience for owner and crew alike. The final transportation was to the premises of Orange Nautical Services, where the mast was stepped and the highly sophisticated rig fitted. Everything has been thought through in the smallest detail on Atalanta's deck layout, which includes both a private owner's cockpit aft and a guest cockpit and deckhouse amidships. At the launch party, the owner, a repeat client for Classen, who has been closely involved in every aspect of the project, was delighted to showcase his beautiful yacht to family and friends alike. He thanked everyone at the yard for their total dedication to the build of Atalanta. The owner also stressed how delighted he was with the phenomenal woodwork for which the Classen carpenters and joiners are renowned. Today, Atalanta's glamorous lines and overall elegance are clear for everyone to see as she cruises in the Mediterranean. But her highly optimized performance means she will also be able to compete in the Super Yacht Cup and Spirit of Tradition regattas. It's clear that the story of Atalanta has only just begun.